Hi, my name is Nikolai. I'm co-founder of Yoffix, and today I will show you how to use Yoffix in Microsoft Teams. So let's first go to our desktop version of Yoffix that many of you know. And if you click now on your profile, so here on your picture, you will get to your user profile where you could easily select where do you want to get your notifications. So that's where you manage in case Microsoft Teams integration is already implemented in your company. Here you could also select that you would like to get all your notifications over Microsoft Teams. So that's where you could select it. Then you press Save. Now let's go to Microsoft Teams, and that's where you could see the same application as on desktop version. That is Yoffix apps that you could easily find under apps. And as you install it, you will have here several layers. So one is chat, that's where you get your notifications from Yoffix, calendar, spaces, and rooms. And now I want to go one by one and show you how easy and intuitively you can manage your hybrid work within Microsoft Teams using Yoffix app. So let's start with calendar. Calendar is where you can easily coordinate and plan your work week. And the nice thing is here on the top, you could define where do you want to work from. So either from office or home, or maybe you're on a business trip, or you can also delete some bookings. And at the same time, here you have the opportunity to find some colleagues, to filter them by departments or by offices. And that's how it's very easy to plan your week. So for example, these are the people whom I want to meet this week, and I see that all of them will be in the office on Friday. So in Munich Marienplatz. So for me that means, well, if I want to meet them, I would rather also book a day in the office this Friday. Well, here I can select between offices. The system already suggests me Munich Marienplatz. I see there are 15 desks available. Now you could zoom in, you see the office, you could select the space. Well, for example, I want to sit next to Sabrina. I would select this space, this desk. Then I can decide, well, do I want to book it for one day or maybe also for Friday and Monday? Do I want to book it for the whole day or maybe just for a few hours? I would like to stay the whole day in the office. And do I want also to make it repeatable? So each week, same days, that system books for me automatically. Well, I don't want to do it now, but I would like to add a parking slot. So if in your company parking slots are available for booking, you would have an option to select it. So now I just press save. The system automatically saves my booking. Now you can see it here. And that's how easy it is to plan some joint day in the office and to make sure that if you come to the office, you are not alone. You meet people whom you want to see and with whom you have to exchange. So that's how you coordinate your working days and make your schedule. Now, if we look into the next week, and let's again see all colleagues, as team lead or as admin, you can also create team events. So that's where you invite some departments or larger group of people to the office. Let's press team event. Let's make it a test day, office day IT. We select here some teams, only teams that are related to IT. We have now 16 members. We select a space. We press save. And now all these people will be invited to the office. They get notification either via email or via Microsoft Teams. And they know there is a place, a desk in the office booked for them. So that's how you can easily bring people together or manage utilization and attendance in the office via calendar. Now let's go further and take a look on Spaces. Spaces gives you full transparency what is happening in the office on specific day. So here you could see, you could again switch between days, you could switch between offices, and you see that's how the office looks like. So you see on a specific day, this is the people who are in the office. There are some statistics that shows you utilization of the office or how many people are booked in. You have also opportunity to book meeting rooms straight away from here. And yes, we can also book a desk in the office. We can define for what time it is. As admin, you are able also to book it not only for yourself, but also for other colleagues. And we click book, and this desk is now booked for us in a specific day. So here you could switch between days, you could switch between offices, but you always have clear transparency on the office setup. Here you could easily find some employees if you're looking for someone in the office. The system shows you where this person is sitting. You can also make bookings for several days. That's advanced features, and at the same time you will see how full is the office on specific days. Now let's go to the next screen. This set is rooms, and with rooms you can book meeting rooms, telephone booths, everything that your company wants to make bookable in your office besides of parking slots and besides of desks. So again, here you can switch between days, and you see, well, it's structured by offices. So for example, we select Munich Marienplatz, and we see all meeting rooms that are here. So let's Munich Marienplatz. Yes, let's book Barcelona meeting room. Let's make a test booking, and we could drag time zone. We could also invite members. We see immediately who will be in the office and not on this day, and clicking save, the meeting room will be booked, and surely it's also synchronized with Microsoft Outlook and Exchange. So that's how you can easily book a meeting room. You could also do it over the floor plan. So for example, you say, well, telephone booth, let me just book a telephone booth, and we go into our floor plan. Here is some telephone booths which is still not reserved, and we easily book it. So it's only one person could fit here, and I book it, and in a second it will be booked. So that's how easy you could administrate your rooms and other assets in the office. And again, in the chat you get weekly notifications on your plan, so which bookings have you done, or if you didn't do any bookings so far, the system will remind you about that. But also, if check-in function is enabled in your company, here you'll get notifications that you have to confirm your booking or cancel it, and it will be on the day of your booking, and you'll have 1 hour to do it. So that's how easy and simple is to use Yoffix in Microsoft Teams to manage your hybrid setup and to make all bookings, all reservations you need to enjoy your office life. Thank you for listening, and we're looking forward to have you in our system. Bye.